Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel Cjspokenenglish. This is also a translate video. Every day 10 sentence. If we practice, definitely we can speak in English. Is this a language? Okay. So look at the blackboard. I am going to translate it. So tumo pochore behind. Okay, behind you. तुम पछरे behind you. यह को नहीं जाओ कैर देश. CARRY कैर देश. Okay, कैर देश. यह को नहीं जाओ कैर देश. ठंडा पानी पियो. ठंडा पानी पियो. Drink. Okay. Drink cold water. Okay. ठंडा पानी पियो. Drink cold water. ठंडा पानी पियो. Okay. धीरे धीरे खाओ. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. धीरे धीरे खाओ. Eat slowly. Okay. प्रति सप्ताह every week. AVERY week. Every week. Okay, every week. ମୁଁ ଖେଳି ପାରିବି କି? Can I play? Okay. Can I play? ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆସ. Come along. Okay, ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆସ. Come along. ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ କିଣ. ଦେଖ. Buy me one. ଏହାକୁ ନିଜ ପାଖରେ ରଖ. Keep it to yourself. Okay, keep it to yourself. Okay, keep it to self. Keep it to yourself. गंभीर हुआ. Be serious. What to say? Be serious. SARIOUS. Be serious. गंभीर हुआ. Okay. So once more, look at the blackboard carefully. Be serious. Okay. So तुम पछरे behind you. एहाकु नहीं जाओ. केयर दिस. ठंडा पानी पियो. ड्रिंक कोल्ड वाटर. धीरे धीरे खाओ. Eat slowly. प्रति सप्ताह every week. ମୁଁ ଖେଳି ପାରିବି କି? Can I play? ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆସ. Come along. ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ କିଣ. Buy me one. ଏହାକୁ ନିଜ ପାଖରେ ରଖ. Keep it to yourself. गंभीर हुआ. Be serious. So once more, look at the blackboard. तुम पछरे behind you. एहाकु नहीं जाओ. Care this. ठंडा पानी पियो. Drink cold water. धीरे धीरे खाओ. Eat slowly. प्रति सप्ताह every week. ମୁଁ ଖେଳି ପାରିବି କି? Can I play? ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆସ. Come along. ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ କିଣ. Buy me one. ଏହାକୁ ନିଜ ପାଖରେ ରଖ. Keep it to yourself. ଗମ୍ଭୀର ହୁଅ. Be serious. Okay. If you practice, and definitely our English will be improved. Okay. So once more repeat with me. ତୁମ ପାଖରେ behind you. ତୁମ ପଛରେ behind you. ଏହାକୁ ନେଇ ଯାଅ. Care this. ठंडा पानी पियो. Drink cold water. धीरे धीरे खाओ. Eat slowly. प्रति सप्ताह every week. ମୁଁ ଖେଳି ପାରିବି କି? Can I play? ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆସ କମ୍ ଏଲଙ୍ଗ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ କିଣ ବାଇ ମି ୱାନ୍ ଏହାକୁ ନିଜ ପାଖରେ ରଖ କିପ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଟୁ yourself ଗମ୍ଭୀର ହୁଅ be serious. Okay, then every day if you practice definitely we can speak English. Okay, bye, see you next video. Which person are watching my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel.